Got a Sansui, and looks like one of the channels is not right. So what I do is I power it up, put some audio in it, turn the thing on, bring up the volume a little bit. Now I'm going to look at the output on the terminals here. All right, there's the output on one. That's what audio looks like. So I'm going to put a probe on the red on the other side. This is, all right, there we go. Red on that side. And that's what the audio looks like. So that's sort of what a blown or leaky transistor looks like. So that is on the left channel, which is this side of the amp. So I'm going to go through and test these, see if I have any leaky transistors, and I can always compare them to the good channel. All right, I'm going to check some voltages here. These drivers, that leg has 0.5 on it, and that one has 1.1. Now if you compare the same drivers on the other side, that one has 0.5 and that one has 0.7. So that 0.7 is pretty low. So something is not feeding that the correct voltages. I really don't think it's the outputs or the drivers. I think it's before the drivers. So this board's really dirty, so I'm going to clean all these contacts and resolder them, and then look for these where this voltage discrepancy might be. Okay, so I checked a bunch of voltages, and I noticed that the voltages don't get wonky until about Q4, which is right here. And I noticed that the base of Q4 had a bad solder joint. I took Q4 out and tested it. It tested good, put it back in, and all my voltages now match the good channel. So that's all it was a bad solder joint right there. Base of Q4. Here's what the schematic looks like. I noticed my voltages were correct here and here, and I had 57 volts there, but this solder joint was bad, so it was throwing off everything else down the line, and that's all that it was.